What if I told you that you could completely transform your home into a stylish, high-end space without spending a fortune? Yes, it's possible, and today I'm going to show you how. In this video, you'll discover 25 decorating ideas that look expensive but are actually budget-friendly. These are the same tricks designers use to make homes feel luxurious, cozy, and intentional. And if you love content like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos filled with cozy, budget-friendly decorating inspiration. Trust me, you'll want to stay until the very end, because some of the last tips are the easiest, most impactful changes you can make today. Let's start with one of the most powerful designer tricks: contrast. Without contrast, even a beautifully decorated room feels flat. Think about pairing light and dark elements, like a bright sofa with dark throw pillows or white curtains with dark wooden frames. This creates depth and immediately gives the space a more curated, professional feel. Even in light, airy homes, darker accents are necessary to anchor the look. And in moody, dark interiors, lighter accessories break up the heaviness and make everything stand out. Forget the myth that all wood tones have to match. Mixing wood finishes makes a room feel layered and dynamic. A light oak dining table with dark walnut chairs? Stunning. A pale sideboard styled with darker frames above? Instant designer look. The secret is balance. Make sure you repeat both light and dark wood at least twice in the room so it looks intentional. Here's a secret: designers love repetition. Using the same texture, shape, or material in multiple places ties everything together. For example, styling in groups of 3 instantly feels high-end. A tall vase, a medium one, and a smaller one together create rhythm. Or think about woven baskets of different heights in one corner, functional and beautiful. Repetition is what makes spaces feel cohesive and thoughtfully styled. Want an instant hotel vibe? Add symmetry. 2 matching lamps on each side of your sofa or bed immediately add polish and balance. Symmetry makes the eye relax, and that sense of order feels expensive. Art is what sets the entire tone of your home. Landscapes and vintage-inspired artwork add an earthy, calming vibe. Abstract pieces with geometric shapes push your home toward a modern, sleek look. And the best part? Artwork doesn't have to be expensive. Large digital prints from Etsy or affordable finds at Home Goods can make your walls look curated without breaking the bank. One oversized art piece can look more expensive than multiple small ones. It fills the wall with intention, creates a strong focal point, and makes your space feel like a gallery. Luxury is in the details. Marble and natural stone are timeless, but you don't need to install countertops to get the look. Add a marble tray on your coffee table, coasters in the living room, or a stone bowl on your console. These small touches elevate your space instantly, and many can be found for under $30. Mirrors are one of the cheapest ways to make your home feel bigger and brighter. They reflect light, add depth, and double as stylish wall decor. A large round mirror above a console table or a tall leaning mirror in a bedroom looks chic and creates the illusion of more space. Lighting is what sets the mood. Layer it. Combine table lamps, floor lamps, string lights, and candles. Warm, layered lighting creates the cozy, expensive feel of a designer home. Never underestimate lampshades. Swapping out a plain one for a linen or pleated shade can instantly elevate the look of your lamp and your room. It's a small detail that screams sophistication. Curtains can make or break a space. The trick? Hang them high and wide. Even budget curtains look luxurious if they're hung closer to the ceiling and spread beyond the window frame. This hack makes your windows look bigger and your ceilings taller. Plants, real or faux, are non-negotiable for a cozy, high-end look. Large plants fill awkward corners, while small ones styled on shelves add life and freshness. A home without greenery often feels flat. A home with it feels alive. Luxury isn't just about color, it's about touch. Add different textures, woven baskets, chunky knit throws, velvet cushions, linen curtains. The more layered your textures, the richer and more intentional your home feels. Instead of buying all new pillows, just swap the covers. Seasonal or trendy designs are cheaper this way, and your room looks updated year-round without the clutter of storing extra pillows. Rugs aren't just about comfort, they're powerful tools to define and elevate a room. In small apartments or open layouts, a rug instantly creates zones. One for dining, another for lounging, even a cozy reading corner. Choose rugs that are proportional to the space. Too small and the room feels awkward, too large and it overwhelms. Neutral rugs create a sophisticated canvas, while patterned ones can add personality and style. A well-placed rug anchors furniture and makes the room look complete, polished, and high-end. Clutter is the enemy of luxury. Replace visible plastic bins with woven baskets, ottomans with hidden storage, or chic boxes. Storage can double as decor, keeping everything tidy while elevating your look. A tray transforms random items into a curated vignette. Place candles, books, and a vase on a tray, and suddenly your coffee table looks like a magazine spread. Trays create order and style at the same time. Changing drawer pulls and cabinet handles is one of the cheapest, most impactful updates. Replace builder-grade hardware with matte black, gold, or brushed nickel finishes. It's a tiny investment with a massive payoff. Books aren't just for reading, they're for styling. Stack coffee table books to create height, use them as risers for candles, or line them on shelves with intentional spacing. They make your space feel cultured and sophisticated. Want your bedroom to feel like a 5-star suite? Layer your bedding. Start with crisp sheets, add a duvet, then a throw blanket, and finish with a mix of pillows. Layering makes the bed the star of the room. Metallics reflect light and add glamour. Gold frames, brass candle holders, or chrome trays instantly make a space sparkle. The key is to sprinkle them lightly. Too much can feel cheap, but just enough feels luxurious. High-end doesn't mean generic. Frame fabric samples, wallpaper scraps, or maps. These affordable, custom pieces look unique and make your space stand out as personal and intentional. Candles, real or LED, create a soft, luxurious glow. Place them on your dining table, coffee table, or bathroom counter. Candlelight is timeless. It's cozy, romantic, and instantly elevates the vibe. The entryway sets the tone for your entire home. Style a console table with a mirror, greenery, and a basket. Guests will feel welcomed, and you'll get that high-end vibe the second you walk in the door. And finally, the most important tip of all, consistency. When your finishes match, your colors repeat, and your textures balance each other, your home looks cohesive. That's the ultimate secret to making any budget space feel like it was designed by a professional. And there you have it, 25 ways to decorate your home on a budget that look high-end. From mastering contrast and repetition, to adding art, marble, lighting, and textures, these ideas prove that style isn't about money, it's about intention. Which of these tips are you trying first? Share in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more cozy, stylish inspiration every single week.